What's up, guys? This is actually my Airsoft loadout right here. I'm actually going to go details into this. And by the way, this is Eclipse from Desert Assault Squad. And here we go into this review. First of all, we have this pistol right here. You all know it. Probably don't know it. The Glock 18C. Got it as my secondary, and it's pretty good so far. I've shot it. It's a pretty good gun. And then we got my Molly Tactical plate carrier.
If you could see on it, you could see the patches I already got on it. It's pretty much all the same. Got space right in here for my magazines. Then I got a hydration pouch on the back of it. Works great. And I got all my magazines. An AK style mag for my M4. And a mid cap. And 3 high caps for it.
Then we go into the big gun I got. She's right here. This is actually my really good gun. The first one I actually got. She tactical this one out. Put an AFG MOE grip. Some Daniel Defense rails. A matrix flashlight. A suppressor. EOTech sight 551. With a lens protector. Maybe later I'll probably put it with a LiPo, maybe. I don't know. I don't know if this gun's even LiPo ready, but I'll see if it is. It's pretty much a good gun. For like almost 230 to 160 bucks for this gun. And by the way, this is an all metal gun, so it's pretty much heavier. And pretty much, yeah, that's pretty much all.